In this video, I will guide you on how to create a Target account. First, you want to open up any web browser. Now here you want to search for Target or head over to target.com. Now once you get here, you want to click on the account option over here. Now click on the option of sign in or create account. Here you will have to enter either your email address or mobile number, then click on continue. After that, complete your profile by entering your first name, last name, enter your mobile number, but this is optional. Now you can select if you want to create an account with passkey or password. If you have selected password, enter it. Then you want to click on the create account option. If you want to join Circle, then you can enter your birth date over here or click on maybe later to skip that. Once you have completed all of these steps, your new account of Target has been successfully created. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.